Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Standard Bank SA cannot log in. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings on your device and switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. If the issue still persists, what you can try and do is head over to quick settings on your device. Once you're here, so head over to settings and then tap on apps, tap on see all apps. Head over to the search bar of your all apps and then search for the Standard Bank app on your device. Once you find the Standard Bank app, head over to storage and cache, clear the cache of the Standard Bank app and try again. If the issue still persists, then head over to your app drawer, search for the Standard Bank app, log into your account, make sure that you have enough funds on you. And then what you can try and do is make sure that you're entering the correct credentials to log into your account. If the issue still persists, then what you can try and do is head over to your app drawer, search for the Standard Bank app on your device, long press on it, uninstall it on your device, reinstall it from the Play Store and try again. If the issue still persists, then you may have to contact support for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.